Hey everyone, it's Tegan from WordChamps here, and today I'm going to be going over adding an image to your posts and pages on your WordPress site. So let's head on over to PhotoChamps, the site that we've got set up on WordPress.com, and in the dashboard there's a couple of ways that we can add an image. So the first one is through the media library. If you just click on library, then it takes you to a page that shows all of the images that you have uploaded to your website or blog, and in this case we've just got the one. So the other way, and it's the way that I find to be more intuitive, is to just go directly to the page that you are looking to add it to, and in that case that's the About page. So I'm going to go to my About page here, and when I'm in visual mode I'm just going to pick where I want the image to upload to. So I'm going to put my cursor right at the beginning of the first paragraph below my heading 1 tag. That's where I want the image to go. And then you see up here Upload Insert. I'm just going to click on the Add an Image button, and then you've got some options like I mentioned before. The media library you can add from there. Gallery is the images that are added to your page. From URL is adding an image that's already somewhere else on the internet, and then my from computer, which is what I want. So let's go select file. I'm going to go with a nice picture of Bora Bora. So click open, and then WordPress just does its thing. I'm going to upload that to your site, and now you've got some options here. So you can give it a little title, and the title will display when you hold your mouse over the image. Your alternate text is good to put in for people that are viewing without images, so make the alternate text a description of the image, but not totally required. A caption is if you want any text to be displayed directly below the image on the website, you can put in a caption. You can also give your image a description. And link URL I'll cover in just a moment here. Alignment, you can select the alignment that you want. If you go none, then it's just going to put your image right in, and nothing fancy. If you go left, then it's going to put the image to the left of your content. Center is going to put it center in the middle with the content above and below, and right is going to be to the right of your content. So now you've got some image sizes, and you can actually change these if you go in the dashboard into settings. Then you can change that in there. So thumbnail, if you want to have, say, a bunch of images and then link to the larger versions, you could do thumbnail, and then medium, a little bigger, large, and then full size, which in this case is 640 by 480. So we're going to go medium, and we're not going to choose a link URL actually. In this case I'm going to go none, but what you can do is if you choose file URL, then it's going to link. It would link to a full size of the image. Like I mentioned with thumbnail, you could have thumbnail and then the full image. And if you go post URL, then it would link to the post of the image. So it would be a page with the full size image on there. So let's go ahead and insert this into the post. And now you see that it's put my image in there. And then if we just go update, then let's head on over here. We go about, and you're going to see there's my image. And if I just mouse over it, you'll see my title appears there. So there we go. I've got my image in there. And if I'll scroll down, I can just show you another image that I put in here. And this one has a caption. So as you can see, it just automatically puts my caption below the image. And then if I click on this image, it's going to take me to the post. So in this case, I opted for the post URL, and then I've got a page where I can show the full size of my image. So there you go. Images in content on your page or post in WordPress. Couldn't be simpler. Thanks.